Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel E-Commerce project tutorial. In this video, we will cover Show All Wishlisted Products. So let's see how can we show all wishlisted products. So first of all, go to the wishlist controller. So just go inside the app directory, then http controllers, and from here let's open wishlist controller. And here let's create a new function. So right here public function and function name, which is index, and inside this function just return a view. First add here the directory name, which is wishlist, and then a view name, which is index. And now let's create a route for this function. So go to the routes directory and then open web.php, and here just before this let's create here a new route. So right here route : get URI, which is wishlist, controller name WishlistController, function name, which is index, and route name wishlist.index. Alright, and now let's create this view. So go to the resources directory and then views, and here first of all let's create a new folder, which is wishlist. Inside this folder let's create here a new file, which is index.blade.php. and now here first of all let's add here the layout tag. So right here x-app-layout. Okay, and now just close this. Now here inside this layout tag just put here the wishlist template content. So go to the template repository. So just to go to the GitHub Surfside media and this repository. From here let's open the wishlist.php file, and from this file let's copy this main content. So just select this and now copy and go back to the VS Code, and inside this layout tag just paste here. Okay, and now first of all let's change here the link. So just remove this and add your double curly bracket route and route name, which is home.index. Now before this empty wishlist I just add here the if directive. So right here if card : instance. Okay, and add here the instance name, which is wishlist, then call the content method content. Okay, and then a count method. Okay. It will count all items from the wishlist. Okay, if count is equal to 0, then show here this empty message. Okay, and here just add here the else directive. So right here @else, and now here just change here the link shop.php. just remove this, add a double curly bracket route and route name, which is shop.index. Okay, and now here inside the else part first of all just close this if directive. So after this div just write here @indif, and now inside this t body just add here the for each, and inside this for each just write here card : instance. Okay, and instance name, which is wishlist, and then call here the content method as $item. Okay. And after this closing tr, close here the for each. So right here int for each, and now remove this remaining tr. So just select, okay, and delete. Now inside this for each first of all let's display here the product name. So right here double curly bracket $item arrow name. Okay, and for image first of all just add here the @php directive, and now just close this int php, and inside this PHP directive just write here $product is equal to cart colon model. Okay, and inside this just pass here $item arrow rowId. Okay, and now for displaying the product image, just select this, add your double curly bracket, asset, and inside this just pass here the product thumbnail image path. Okay, so right here uploads slash products slash thumbnails. Then add here the forward slash, then double curly bracket, $product arrow image. And now inside this img alt, just add here the product name. So write here double curly bracket, $item arrow name. Okay, and for product details link, just remove this and double curly bracket route, and inside this just add here the route name, which is shop.product.details. Okay, and also pass here the slug. So right here $product arrow slug. Okay, now let's copy this, and here inside this href just remove this and paste here. And now let's display here the product price. So just remove this, and for displaying the price, so just write here double curly bracket number underscore format, and inside this just pass here the $item arrow price. Okay, and for displaying the 2 decimal place just add here (2). Okay, and now just remove this, and for the quantity simply add here 1. So just remove these buttons and input field and add here 1. Okay, and from here just remove this td and also this heading total price. Alright, and now let's open the app layout file. So just go inside the resources directory, then views, layouts, and from here let's open app.blade.php file. Okay, and here you can see this is the wishlist icon. So inside this href just add here the link of the wishlist. So add your double curly bracket, then route and route name, which is wishlist.index. Okay, now save this. Now it's done, so let's check. So go to the browser and just refresh the page. Now go to the wishlist page, so just click on this icon. Alright, this time in wishlist there is no any product, so it should be display here the empty message, so it's not showing here. So let's check. So go to the index view file, and from here inside this empty wishlist div just remove this hidden class. Okay, and now save this, and now just refresh the page, and you can see here the empty message. Okay, now let's add some product to the wishlist. So just click on this link, wishlist now, and now let's add this product to the wishlist. So click on this icon. Okay, one product inside the wishlist. Now let's check. So just click on this icon, and here you can see one product. Okay, now let's add one more product. So just select this one, add to wishlist, 2 product inside the wishlist. Okay, and here you can see 2 product. This video covers Show All Wishlisted Products. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the next parts of this series. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.